What this bill does is 4 things. First of all, it does exactly what Hugh said needs to be done. It reintroduces the state. It creates, for the first time in over a decade, a scheme whereby the state will build affordable homes starting at €160,000 on state-owned lands. So it will give local authorities the power and the legislation and the schemes to deliver affordable homes, really affordable homes on state-owned land. The second thing it will do is create, for the very first time ever in the history of the state, affordable cost rental homes. It'll double the requirement in every private development for the delivery of social and affordable homes from 10% to 20%. And you're right, Matt. It will financially support first-time buyers to afford their first home. And that's what the shared equity scheme is about. But it is really important that everyone understands that what this initiative is trying to do, and will succeed at doing if the legislation is passed, is reintroducing the state into the provision of affordable homes. It'll have the state use state-owned lands to deliver really affordable homes for first-time buyers and for people on medium incomes.
So this bill increases the obligation on developers. It increases it from 10% to 20%. It actively establishes a model which will compete with the private market. It'll establish a model which will allow affordable housing which competes with pricing. But it's anything but supporting developers. It's actually adding more obligations onto them.